Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a quick accessory review, and this is just a great accessory to go with many of the different MacBook models out there. It is a felt case that for sure will fit 13.3-inch MacBook Pro. It will fit MacBook Air. It will fit the largest size of the iPad, which is the 12.9, as well as MacBook Pro Retina, and various models of Lenovo HP Chromebooks that are in the 12 to 13-inch range. So it's got a good feel on it. It's felt. It's pretty stylish. Currently have my wife's MacBook Air in it. Fits great. You have a separate pocket right here for papers and different things like that. You can flip it over. We have two more pockets right here, which you can basically put like a cell phone in here. So right now I have my S9 Plus. You can slide that back in there easily. Separate pocket there. Put your headphones in here. And what's pretty cool is it also comes with a separate case here that you can carry your charger in. So you can pop in your charger to have with you, and your phone, your headphones, and your laptop. So really good feel to it, nice and stylish, and you're going to be really amazed at the price, which I'm not even going to fully tell you. All I'm going to tell you is right now it's on Amazon for under 10 bucks. But I'll give you a hint, it's not $9.99, it's even lower than that. And what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out. But really great material, good feel, good style on it, and it'll work great for all those really thin profile computers. So definitely encourage you to check it out. Again, link will be in the description. And it's a really inexpensive investment to have a really nice case like this. So check it out. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts, and hope you found the video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.